Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on an emulator. First, you'll need to download a reliable Android emulator, such as GameLoop or BlueStacks, onto your computer. After installation, ensure your system meets the minimum requirements, typically 4 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor. Log in with your Google account to access the Play Store, then search for and install PUBG Mobile. This initial setup takes only a few minutes, getting you ready for action. Once PUBG Mobile is installed, optimizing your emulator and in-game settings is crucial for a smooth experience. Allocate sufficient resources, like at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores, within your emulator's settings. Adjust the display resolution and graphics quality to match your monitor. Inside the game, customize frame rate, anti-aliasing, and shadow quality. A stable internet connection, ideally with a ping below 50 milliseconds, will also significantly reduce lag and improve your gameplay. Mastering your controls is key to dominating on an emulator. Utilize the emulator's built-in key mapping feature to assign keyboard and mouse controls for all actions. Customize keybinds for movement, shooting, aiming, and inventory management to suit your personal playstyle. Many emulators offer preset keymaps specifically for PUBG Mobile, which can be a great starting point. Practice these custom layouts in the training ground to build muscle memory and ensure fluid, responsive gameplay. To elevate your gameplay, focus on advanced strategies. Learn to use hotkeys for quick item access and actions, saving precious seconds in combat. Dedicate time to practicing aiming and recoil control in the training ground. Consistent practice makes a huge difference. Effective communication with your team, whether through voice chat or quick markers, is vital for coordinated attacks. Understanding map rotations and safe zone timings will give you a significant tactical advantage, leading to more victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.